everybody. Ham biscuits. Huh? Oh, you want me to act normal? Okay. Good morning, everyone.
No, like that.
Oh, that's not normal either? Oh, I've got it. Good morning, everybody. Today.
Not like that. Like this. Hello, everybody.
Oh, hey, everybody. Is that it? Okay. We're making country ham biscuits and some little hash brown patties for breakfast.
No, don't act normal.
Don't act normal? Okay. I've got these here biscuits left over from supper last night. Does everybody want country ham or does anybody want bacon?
Bacon.
Bacon? Okay, so I want bacon. Got some bacon I need to cook or freeze, so we'll cook some bacon too. I have this hash brown mixture left over from the hash brown casserole last night. So we're gonna make some little hash brown patties to go with our ham biscuits or bacon biscuits. Oh, you bringing the cheese? Okay, we have a little oil in here. I'm gonna turn this down some. Oh, that's how bacon is, son.
The bear.
Oh, look, they have a nice little nest. Chicken feed delivery. Don't spill it. Here we are, the Southerners going to get bread and milk because we're gonna have a snowstorm. Just kidding, we're really just going in here. Number one, see if they have the peppermint ice cream still because I really want some peppermint ice cream. We only got it one time, didn't we, Cece? Well, we got one like of the half-gallon Bluebell peppermint ice creams, and then we got the little bitty, you know, the little bitty one from Walmart. So I'm gonna go in here and see if they have some peppermint ice cream and, oh, you got a quarter? What else did I say? Oh yeah, we need to get some, I'm gonna see if they have cream of mushroom soup with garlic in here for, I'm making a hamburger and potato casserole for supper. The recipe calls for cream of mushroom with garlic, but if they don't have it, that's fine. We will check out the Aldi finds while we're in here too. Let's see, oh, they have some kitchen calendars down here. Those are neat. Cute children's boots, they're marked down to $6.49. Does it fit or too little? Those are cute. They have some of these fridge trays, $9.99. Oh, these are pretty. Glass jars. They are $9.99. Some different candles, sea salt and driftwood. Oh, that smells springy. A bamboo stool for $16.99. Baskets, is this one? Oh, it's a two-pack. Two-pack for $12.99, I think. Some smartwatches. Laminator for $16.99. Smartwatches are $24.99. Planners, $8.99. Lots of exercise equipment over here. Snack bags, some pots and pans. Sandwich cookie with cocoa cream filling. Clancy's popped potato chips, honey mustard, and barbecue. I think we'll try these honey mustard ones. Caramelized onion and bacon dip. They have mint chocolate chip. They have Christmas cookie. I don't see peppermint. Okay, y'all, we're going to Ingles now because Aldi had no peppermint ice cream. We're holding out hope as we walk to this door that there's gonna be some type of peppermint ice cream in here. We're looking for anything peppermint. Mayfield has peppermint sticks sometimes, but I'm not seeing it. We do have the mint cow tracks. Now those are good. If all else fails, we might go with that. They still have Christmas cookies everywhere. Ooh, look at that mountain huckleberry. That looks good, or it sounds good. You can't really see it, but it sounds good. Okay, y'all, we've been back home for a little while now. The mission was unsuccessful. We did not find any peppermint ice cream. I've waited too late. I did get some of the mint, the cow tracks. Not the same, but it's okay. It's really good. It's like mint chocolate chip, of course, but it's Kemp's mint cow tracks, and these little cows, see they have mint. It's little chocolate cows with mint inside. Chocolatey mint-filled cows swirled with thick fudge in mint ice cream. It's really good. Friendly's used to be my favorite mint chocolate chip, but nowhere around here has Friendly's. I don't even think anywhere carries Friendly's ice cream anymore. They used to have a really good mint chocolate chip. So now it's time to cook supper. We're making hamburger and potato casserole. And I just grabbed some of these cheese rolls from Ingles while we were there to have with it, so I don't have to make any kind of bread. Although we do have a couple of biscuits still left over from yesterday and from this morning. The first thing we need to do is slice some potatoes. And I'm not gonna peel these potatoes, we're just gonna slice them. You can peel them though, if you want to. We're just gonna leave the peelings on there. I'm just gonna wash them really good. We'll probably just need about 4 or 5 of the potatoes because we're gonna slice them pretty thin. We'll do 6 because these are kind of small. Jonah's going outside. Oh yeah, while I'm thinking about it, before I forget, I still haven't heard from a few of the people who won in the 25 Days of Christmas giveaways. So if you're one of those people and you replied to a comment or something and I haven't gotten back to you, sometimes, I don't know why, I can't see the replies to comments. I'm not sure what happens there, but for some reason, I never get, like, if you comment and then I reply and then another reply. Anyway, for some reason I don't see some of them. So if you haven't heard back from me, comment in this video down below. That way I can get in touch with you, because yeah, there's still some people I haven't even heard from yet. I figured, you know, everybody's busy and all during Christmas, so they might not have seen the videos yet and might not even know that they won. So I'm just still waiting to hear from everybody. But yeah, if you've commented and for some reason I haven't gotten back with you, it's probably because I didn't see it. So comment in this video. I've been going and checking all the videos where I announced the winners to see if I missed anybody, but I haven't. So, well, that I can see anyway. So yeah, if you were one of the winners and you haven't heard from me or heard back from me, comment in this video so we can get together and figure out where to send your gifts to. So I've already got the water just about to boil over here for the potatoes. When it comes to a boil, we're just gonna boil them for about 3 to 5 minutes because they're gonna be going in the oven too, which by the way, I need to preheat to 350. Titus is finishing up some shingles outside today. So I'm gonna get this last potato in here. We'll go ahead and start cooking the ground beef. Okay, we're gonna put this in here and then I'm gonna chop up an onion and it'll cook in here with the ground beef. We'll set a timer for our potatoes over there. Now, this recipe calls for a can of pinto beans, but I have leftover black-eyed peas from New Year's Day. That's what we're gonna put in here instead of the pinto beans. That way we can use up those black-eyed peas. All right, so we'll just cook this until the ground beef's cooked through. Then we'll drain it, and we make almost like a little hamburger gravy with this. Once we drain it, we'll put a little bit of flour, a little bit of milk. It's kind of like a hamburger gravy. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put some salt and pepper. We'll put a little bit of our wood-fired garlic seasoning in here and some back porch burger seasoning. You can put whatever seasonings you want to put. Do I have a volunteer cheese shredder? Would you like to be the cheese shredder?
And I will do the shredding shred.
Let me lock you on here. There you go.
Look, we're doing it. Then we will do the taste test.
Okay. I was wondering how long it was going to take you to be ready for a taste test.
That makes it a lot easier, Mama.
You got this? I got to go stir my ground beef, okay?
Okay. You, Jonah.
Got it?
I can do it by myself.
Okay. Let me scoot your plate over here. There we go. All right. You got it, I think. I think it's done.
Let me see. Yep, it is done. Taste test.
Is it good?
Very good.
All right, so I've drained most of the drippings out of the ground beef. I left just a little bit. Now we're gonna put in a couple of tablespoons of flour. Maybe just a little bit more. We'll coat the ground beef. And then we're gonna put in, we'll start with a cup of milk. This smells good, y'all. That wood-fired garlic seasoning. Makes it smell kind of smokehouse-ish. Now we're gonna add this can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, and I did drain it. And we'll put our black-eyed peas in here. The last thing is this can of cream of mushroom soup. We'll get this mixed in, spray a 9x13 casserole dish, and then we'll just start layering it. We do the meat mixture, potatoes, cheese, and repeat. Then it goes in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Before we put the cheese on the potatoes, we're going to put some salt and pepper on top of them.
That is really good. I mean,
You're surprised. You sound surprised that it's good.
that tastes good right there.